Okay, so we are going to feed my 4 dogs. And yes, I have 4 dogs. Why? Don't ask me. Love them all though. Alright, so we got this big bowl for our big old boy, our old boy Champ. We got this small bowl that already has food in it for Mushu. And then we are going to go and get Natsu's bowl. Okay. Our Champy boy. He's been with us for a long time. Long time. That's Mushu Bishi. And guys, do not mind my cement floors. I've already told you about it. I will show you guys the other ones once I feed them all. They just wouldn't want to sit still. Alright. One of these bad boys. I would turn on the light, but our lights do not work. Like, it's gonna flicker the whole time. So. Alright. Now, for Champ, our big dog, I like to put water in his. Makes it have more gravy in it. Looks like I'm going to have to use a fork to mix this up with. Yes, he likes to have like the extra, the extra flavor in it. My lights are still on. Alright. Go, baby. Champ. Go. Go, boys. Go. You're good, baby. Natsu. That's Natsu right here. Natsu, come on. Oh, he's the one in the doggy crate. He's the one in the doggy crate. Alright, Mushu. Who is this lovely one? I need to go get Bear. Bear is my little one, my small. This one right here. You already know I'm coming to get your food, huh? Do not mind my messy room. You already know I'm coming to get your food, huh? Yeah. It is. Alright. Go ahead. Champ. Go ahead and go eat, baby. He likes to wait. It's just so funny to me. He loves to wait until I give everyone food and then he starts eating. If y'all couldn't hear my dog, right? Are you so excited? Are you so excited for food? Oh, that's right. Alright, I also need to give them some water, to be honest. Alright, Natsu. Mushu, hush, baby. Hush. Nobody wants your food. He is a weird one about things. He loves to be stingy with his food, but he loves to eat everyone else's. So it make sense. That Champ's already eating. So weird about his food. Alright, and then I put Natsu in his crate. Come here. Oh, get some light up in this beach. Alright. You ready for some food? Come on. Good boy. Good boy. And you got this. What? You got food. What are you doing? Hey. Y'all are crazy. Y'all are crazy. I already gave you guys food.